Sea grape is a species of flowering plant in the buckwheat family that is native to coastal beaches throughout tropical America, through the Caribbean, and into southern Florida. It has also been naturalized in a few places around the world, including Taiwan. Sea grape takes its common name from its coastal home and the clusters of red grape-like fruits it produces. Though not a true grape, these fruits are edible and the taste is often compared to muscadine grapes. Sea grape leaves are round, wide, and evergreen. The younger growth is red, but foliage matures to a bright green with red veins. The flowers are small and cream-colored, blooming in long clusters. They usually bloom from spring to early summer, but can occur year-round. Fruit set occurs in midsummer, and the immature fruits resemble green grapes on the vine. The clusters deepen to a red or purple color as they ripen in the fall. Plant sea grape in sandy, well-drained soil, preferably in full sun. Keep the young plant well watered until it's established. It can be propagated by seeds or cuttings if you wish to expand the planting. Hand pruning every couple of years is necessary to control its form. As part of a larger effort to preserve Florida's coastal ecological communities, the Department of Environmental Protection protects native salt-tolerant and endangered plant communities. Florida law states that no person, firm, corporation, or governmental agency shall damage or cause to be damaged sand dunes or the vegetation growing on the dune system. You cannot destroy or damage or consume these plants along the shoreline without a permit. If you're hoping to enjoy this classic Florida fruit, your best bet is to add it to your home landscape away from the waterfront. Sea grapes consist of a good amount of protein, calcium, and polyunsaturated fatty acids found in omega-3 groups, effective in calming inflammation and reduce the symptoms of arthritis. Sea grapes are a wonderful source of calcium, potassium, and vitamin C, and are effective in reducing blood pressure due to the ability to promote excretion and maintain normal blood pressure for people with high blood pressure. Leaves, bark, and roots were traditionally used by Native Americans to make medicinal teas. Sea grape is also valued for honey production.